Welcome to Kim's Creations. I am gonna try my very first Larimar, and I was lucky enough that my sister got me the full complement from resincourses.com. I will link their website in the description below. But I have mixed up my resin. I've divided it into 4 cups, and I am going to try for the kind of the bluish Larimar. So I have Phthalo Turquoise and Mauve by Holbein, and I'm going to add in a little bit of Bling It interference into the colors. The mold that I have here, I believe it's called the Live Edge mold, and it's by Julie Cuts. So let me see, I'm gonna add my inks in. Let me just torch a few bubbles. There. All right, so let me see, cup 1. Here's cup 1. I have these labeled on my side so I can see them. Let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Putting 8 drops of the violet in that one. Cup 2, oh my gosh, could be a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 15, 16. I'm going to start with 16. I'm a little bit scared about that number. All right, let's mix these. So the resin that I'm using is Art Pro resin. And I will put the picture of it up right now. I will link it in the description below as well. I can't tell you exact measurements because this course is protected by copyright. So I highly recommend that you take the courses. There's lots of people out there who have been trying this technique for a long time. You do know that the inks are supposed to be really quite dark, but still transparent. And if you look at my stick, they are indeed transparent. Mix, mix, mix. All right, that looks pretty good. My blue, I put 16 in. Whoa, baby. It looks pretty darn dark to me. I think 16 could be good. It is still transparent. Yeah, I'm not going to add any more in. Holy smokes. All right, I'm going to write this down though over here. I put in 16. Put in 16 drops. All right. And cup 3 is my white. Where's 3? Here's 3. I'm using Castin Craft. So let's try. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, 7 drops of the Castin Craft. I did shake all of these up really well. Oop. My little acorn is bringing her chew fish for puppies. It's like a fish skeleton, and she is brought it over to her bed here in my office / art room. It looks almost like what I would use for the bloom, so I am a little bit more scared. I'm gonna add one drop. Mica put in some, just basically like a glitter powder. And this is as close as I could get, and it's the Bling It, which one is this one? Abalone. It just adds sparkle. She only put in a very little bit, so that's all I'm gonna do. I don't know if these chunks are too big or what, but I guess we'll find out together. Mix this in. What she used was like a pearlizer, and this is more like a glitter, so I don't know. This could be a mistake. I think all of this is done in reverse order, but I am just not sure. I have to take my gloves off to sign back into the course, so I'm gonna wing it. I know the white goes down first, and that's what we're just gonna do. All right, so the white goes in first. And I may have overestimated the size of the mold too, even though I did calculate it out. We'll see. All right, that's the white. Mica rotated her mold around to get in all the kind of nooks and crannies. This seems like a lot. I'm worried already. This already seems like enough for 2 molds. Torch carefully. All right, I'm gonna do the purple next. Just gonna give this another stir. And I'm gonna dump this in the middle. Yeah, there's no way. This is like double the amount I need, I'm pretty sure. Because look, that's already filled. And then the blue. And then after all that, there's supposed to be a clear push. Holy smokes. And a clear push. Needless to say, I'm just going to do a little push. And leave it at that. Now this is supposed to be level, but this looks like it's gonna overflow. Right now what we do is we torch quickly. It's gonna overflow. It is totally overflowing. Yikes. And I do want to drop just a few little crystals in the center. A little swirly swirl. It's been on my heating mat on high for a couple of hours, and then I turned it off and let it sit to cool down. So it's been about 4 hours. Let's see. So I did look it up, and I did put my colors in the wrong order. But hey, I should have put the white, then the blue, then the purple. And I did the white, purple, then blue. But really, does it matter? Let's find out. Let's see what happened on the other side. Oh my gosh, it totally worked. For my first time, that is unbelievable. Okay, so the glitter, I would totally lose the glitter, but otherwise, holy smokes. That totally worked. For a first time, wow. I'm just gonna trim all that out. I will recalculate the amount of resin that I need. But wow, and look at the edges. So I've got the white, and then you can see the blue and the purple. Yay! Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, look at my mold. Oh well, I'll try and clean that up. Wow, look at that, you guys. Woo, 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 doing the little dance. All right, I'll be trying this again. I'm gonna recalculate using less resin. And notice, I only put a very little bit of that push in. So, we will see. Although, you know, really, I'm gonna have to look at this some more and compare it to what Mica had, because I kind of think there should be maybe a couple more layers in here, but I have 1, 2 for sure, almost 2.5. But I am darn pleased with this. Yes, I am. So thank you for joining me, and stay tuned because I will absolutely do more. Till next time, bye for now.